Go.
Hi, my name is Dr. Amy Dukoff. I'm an endodontist in Manhattan, and I'm here to tell you about new products for oral care and oral health. First, you want to know why I'm interested in this. What prompted me to start on this journey for oral care as an endodontist. An endodontist does root canal. You take care of emergencies. During the New York City pandemic, I worked. I took care of New Yorkers and my colleagues' patients as I stayed open. During the pandemic, I had to figure out how I could stay healthy, as there were no vaccines and most of the PPE went to the hospitals. So that started the journey with the cream. So I patented and I have used this cream. It's called Wizard's Oral Relief from my company, E-Rinse. And what we did is we brushed it on the tongue and we brushed it before I treated patients. It's a saltwater-based cream with an oral exfoliator to keep out the germs. Now, why is the tongue important? Well, just think about it. The tongue is a slingshot, and what causes the spit to leave your mouth is your tongue, the aerosol. So, if you have a nice clean tongue, then you're going to have less spit with germs coming out of your mouth. And that's what we did. We used a saltwater cream, which I created with all our patients and our staff and myself. And I was very thankful during COVID that it was a very satisfying and rewarding experience to be able to feel safe during that time of the pandemic, of a crisis. I took all the experiences from that and I'm bringing it to you for your use to benefit you in your oral care. There was a study that confirmed that tongue brushing does decrease transmission with patients and with people you live with, and that was done in 2020 with over 300 cohabitants who brushed their tongue, and it was reported there was no transmission of COVID. So we can apply that to oral care and to stay healthy and to keep you smiling. So that's how I began this journey. And thank you for joining me now on my journey.